Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at this Philipp Plein sunglasses model SPP010M in color code 349P. The color of the frame is black. And these glasses are pilot shape. On its temples are protective sleeves to make sure that they don't get scratched or damaged. On the frame, you'll find the Philipp Plein branding. You'll also find a Philipp Plein logo on its temple. The temple is gold and the temple tips are black. You'll also find the PP Philipp Plein emblem on its nose pads. On its inner right temple, you'll find the logo that's made out of titanium and that it's made in Italy. On its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, the color code, the lenses are polarized, and the dimensions of the frame. 55 is for its lens, 23 is for its bridge, 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Philipp Plein gift box with a crocodile skin pattern, a Philipp Plein hard case, a black cleaning cloth, manufacturer booklet, and an authenticity card. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.